Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Godrej Properties newly launched project in Hoskote, East Bangalore. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now about the project overview, and this project will be constructed on total 15 acres of land parcel with 5 seamless towers, and each tower will be of 2 basement ground plus 25 floors, having 2 BHK premium, 2 BHK Lux, 3 BHK premium and 3 BHK Lux premium residencies. Now about the location part, and this project is located on Malsandra Road in Hoskote, East Bangalore, with the seamless connectivity of Delhi Public School is just 5 minutes away. Brigade Uptown Mall is 10 minutes away from the project. Hope Farm Signal is 20 minutes away from the location of the project. Now coming to the most interesting part, that is the amenities part, and this project provides you 30 plus world-class amenities like state-of-art gymnasium, clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, garden area and many more. Now about the super built up area, and this project provides you 2 BHK premium, 2 BHK Lux, 3 BHK premium and 3 BHK Lux premium residencies with 2 BHK premium starting from 1050 square feet. 2 BHK Lux is 1200 square feet, 3 BHK Premium is 1600 square feet and 3 BHK Lux is 1750 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, and the project is in pre-launch stage, so the EOI windows are open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, will show you the actual location and the actual land parcel of the project as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Godrej Properties newly launched project in Hoskote, East Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.